Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150 between year 2009 and year 2014. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the center console power outlet, also known as the cigarette lighter socket, is located. Stay with us, we'll explain. You may have up to 2 fuses that you need to check. We'll talk where you can buy cheap fuses from and why it's super important to test fuses. All that will be covered today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else, guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work, guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses, so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. Specifically, we'll demonstrate on a 2012 Ford F-150 right here, but even if you have a different year, guys, that generation, the video may be helpful. We're going to go ahead and open the fuse box, the one that's under the hood. That's the fuse box that we need. So if you look at that fuse box, if you open the hood on your F-150, right above the radiator in the center, guys, you have a fuse box. When you open it, you'll face it that way. Okay, you have the relays, fuses right here as well, guys. Now, before we continue, let us tell you why it's super important to test fuses so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So as you can see, guys, you have different kinds of fuses and relays. Those could be really expensive, so we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. The first fuse that we need to check, if we come in the very last row right here, that's where we'll be working from the very left to right. Even if you have a missing fuse, you count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. That fuse now right here, it's known as fuse number 66. That's the fuse that you need to check. In our case, 20 amp fuse, guys. After that, we're going to come from the right side to the left. Even if you're missing a fuse, you count it. 1, 2, 3. That's fuse number 72. That 20 amp fuse is for the center console power outlet as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.